How to hide or private all of your photos on Facebook from public. So the first thing you have to do is tap on the menu at the bottom. You want to go to your profile page and tap on these three dots. Then go to Activity Lock. Here, you want to choose your Facebook activity. Scroll down, and on this Post section, choose Manage Posts. After that, tap on Filter. On the bottom, you want to select Categories. And check this Your Posts, Photos, and Videos. Like here, you want to show all of your photos you ever post on Facebook. Tap on All. At the bottom right, tap on these three dots. Select Change Audience. Tap on Change Audience. And set it Only Me. Tap on Change. And from here, you want to go back. And on this activity you're tagged in, tap on Manage Tags. It's because there are some photos or videos of us posted by another person, like our friend, and we are tagged in there. So we want to delete the tag to ourselves so no one will find any photo or video of us later. Right here, you want to choose Filters. Tap on Categories. Choose photos and videos you are tagged in. Like here, I don't have any in my current Facebook account, but what you want to do is the same as what I'm about to do. Select All and tap on Remove Text. And to remove all of the text, you need to confirm your password. And after that, all of your photos or videos are private and hidden on Facebook. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.